Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLE 43 AMG Coupe. This one is a Selenite Gray Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 385 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has the AMG Night package with black accents on the front splitter, mirror covers, mirror trim, and rear diffuser. For wheels, we've got 22-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, bi-turbo 4MATIC on the badging on the side, a crystal gray leather interior with a carbon fiber trim, panorama sunroof, rear climate controls, spoiler, AMG GLE 43 badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season floor mats, cargo cover, 60/40 fold-down rear seats, premium 3 package with active blind spot assist, active lane assist, Distronic, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, driver's assistance package, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for the media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center. This GLE 43 Coupe has 14,444 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 43 AMG Coupe, visit us at feldmanimports.com.